What's up, fam? It's your girl back with another review. So in today's video, I want to talk to you guys about this pet spray hair comb removal. And let's go ahead and open her up. I can't wait to see what this is like. I've been dying to get my hands on one of these, so I'm super happy that I have one, and I can't wait to see if it's gonna do what it needs to do, honey. Okay, so let's talk about some of the things that come inside of this box, because we are opening this together, honey. All right, so for starters, it has the liquid massage brush. It has a super soft steel bar round comb teeth, which is this. And then it says newly upgraded press pushing handle right here. Yes, so y'all know about that. That's to release that hair once you finish brushing, honey, okay? One-click hair removal to eliminate cleaning troubles as described. You got your little top right here that you can pull out so you can get your liquid in there. Here is the liquid right here. Pet comb leave-in serum. Its own serum, so I'm ecstatic about that. So we add 1.5 ratio to the water. So we're gonna add water and then we're gonna add a couple of drops. I would say 2 drops just to be on the safe side, just so you can test it out on your dog's fur and make sure his skin is good. And then this kit also comes with the foot cleansing foam, y'all. So Mr. Brady, he's in for a treat today. Literally, he's gonna be like, oh, my feet. Perfect for cleaning those paw pads on those rainy days and they're in the mud or they're out in the backyard and now you're like, ugh, what am I gonna do? Get your scrubby brush out, honey. Clean them paw pads, baby, okay? So this is what the bristles are looking like, and they feel amazing. It's like this nice silicone rubber right here, and if it feels good on my fingers, I know it's definitely gonna feel good on his paws. You also have an empty water bottle solution right here, which is empty. So you can add your water or mixture together in here. So you can add 1.5 ounces and 1.5 ounces here, boop, and we're good. There we go, 2 squirts, boom, bada bing, bada boom. And I'm back. We have filled up our little solution. I already did a little shimmy shake. Now the water I put right around here, and then I just added 2 squirts of the solution here. So let's go ahead and put it in the back of this. Oh boy, this is interesting. All right, let's fill her up. Excited, super excited. I don't wanna overfill it. Oh, look at that. Is that an indicator light? Haha! So it's indicated here. You can see how much you've put in there already. So I just put a couple of drops. Put that cap back on, and here's your power button right here. So let's turn it on. Look at that, y'all. Look at it in action. I'm here for this. So let's go brush Mr. Brady. Oh, Mr. Brady. Look what I got now. All right. It's like being in a spa. Now, he did just get a haircut, so he ain't got much hair, but I'm pretty sure what he has will come off. You like this spa? Yeah? Oh, and it smells good too. Oh, wow. Let's get all this fur. Look at you, gonna be so handsome. How's it feel? How's it feel, buddy? So look at you. Mommy gave you a haircut, and now we're doing your fur. Oh man, guys, this smells really good. Oh, you got a little knot there, buddy. You got a little knot. Ooh, child. Oops, sorry. All right, so here is the hair that we got so far. And one touch release. Ta-da! Clean as a whistle, ready to go again. Oh, sorry, Brady. Come, Brady. Come. Look what else Mommy got you. This is for that boy's paws. All right, come. No, it's okay. Come. Look, it's for your feet. Come on. It's okay, buddy. Sit. Good boy. Stay. Come on, buddy. Look, it's okay. Come here. So Mr. Lazy Bones decides he wants to lay down. So you stay. Come. Don't try to run now. You stay. Give me that paw. Oh boy. Is it even open? Oh my God. Lord Jesus. Oh, Brady, get up. Good boy. Lay down. Yes, what a good boy. Oh, no, it's a paw, Brady. Look. It's a clean. No, come back. Brady, come here. Come on up. Hey! All right, y'all. I really tried to get this on camera, but he thinks it's a game. Every time I have to do something with his paws, it's like a game, or I have to give him any kind of medication or anything of that sort. He really thinks it's a game. So this is what the foam looks like. I'll show you guys right here so you guys can see that. It comes out really nice. And it smells the same as it does the solution that you brush on his back. It's literally the same thing. So he's coming back. Let's see if I can get him. Come here, buddy. He said nope. All right, guys. So I hope this helped. And if I can catch him, I will be back to show you how this works on his paws. But I think it's gonna do a great job. All right, I hope this helped, and I will see you guys in my next review. Bye. You got clean paws. What a good boy. Look at that. See? I told you it wouldn't hurt. Yeah. Oh boy. Enough playing those games, yeah. We gotta get clean paws. Oh my goodness, yeah. Nice and clean. And we gotta cut the hair there. Buddy, what's been going on down here? You got lots of hair going on there. All right, we did it, y'all. So yes, it works good. Now you can see all the nasty little filth in between his toes. Bye, guys.